having obtained the highest number of votes in the election, and the votes cast in his favor being more than 50% of the valid votes cast at the election, the Commission hereby declares the elected president declares candidate Yoweri Museveni to Kaguta Museveni. Whereas the presidential election was held on the 15th of January 2026, at which the candidates were Akulira Akakiiko Joseph, Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, Nandala Mafari James Nathan, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. And whereas polling for the presidential elections closed at 5 p.m. on the 15th day of January 2026, and whereas the Electoral Commission has ascertained the results of the presidential elections, now therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred upon the Commission by Article 103, Clause 7 of the Constitution and Section 59 of the Presidential Elections Act, the Commission publishes and declares the results of the presidential elections as follows. Bolira Frank Kabinda, 45,959 votes. I repeat, Bolira Frank Kabinda, 45,959 votes. Kaswandi Robert, 33,440. Kaswandi Robert, 33,440. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, 2,741,238. Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert, 2,741,238 votes. Maurice Joseph, 23,458. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, 59,276. I repeat, Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera, 59,276 votes. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, 31,666 votes. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga, repeat, 31,666 votes. Nandala Mafari James Nathan, 209,039 votes. 209,039 votes. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, 7,946,772. I repeat, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, 7,946,772 votes. Total number of invalid votes cast is 275,353. Total number of invalid votes cast 275,353. 353, amounting to 2.42% of the votes cast. Total number of votes cast is 11,366,200.
Center their prayer on this day, guided by the word of the Bible, in the book of wisdom.
They walk down that aisle to take their seats.
And they walk with honor, dignity, and decorum.
Right, right.
Agents of presidential candidates here, representatives of political parties, heads of observer missions that are present, both local and international, members of the diplomatic corps, representatives of civil society organizations, and those of government agencies, heads of clergy, media, members of staff of the Electoral Commission. Ladies and gentlemen, 2026. I take this opportunity now to invite the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Justice Byabakama Alangiridde, to constitute us and lead us. Thank you very much, Lord Chair. Respective capacities, good morning and welcome to the National Tally Center once again, where the Commission has the pleasure to update you
countrymen who are watching us in the various TV mediums. Today or this morning, would like to release the total number of registered voters remain 21,649,067. The total number of polling stations are 50,739. As we talk now, the total number of police stations from which we have obtained the results are 47,499, representing 93.61% of the total number of polling stations across the country. The performance of the ballot votes cast. Kiabulani Center Robert 2,601,150. Mavis Joseph 22,274, representing 0.21%. So in the case of Kiabulani, Tally represents 24.46%. 24.46% for Kiabulani, who has 2,601,150. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera 57,019, that is 57,019, representing 0.454 of the valid votes cast. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunda 30,590 votes, representing 0.29% of the valid votes cast. Nandala Mafabi James Nathan 202,802, representing 1.91% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Yoweri to Kaguta Kaguta Museveni 7,643,778 votes, representing 71.88% of the valid votes cast. The valid votes in total for all the candidates are 10,634,084. The valid votes 264,015, 264,015, representing 2.42% of the total votes cast. The total votes altogether 10,898,099, representing 50.34% of registered voters. Spoiled votes 38,223. This is the current up-to-date, and as we have been doing, I'm going to ask our technical people to relay the breakdown of the summary I've been reading on our screens for the benefit of our participants, so that you analyze and appreciate where the results I've been reading have been tabulated from or have come from. List
Commission ground here at Lubowa. In fact, the Sala is the home